So Caleb was here late last night.
Yeah.
Working on his truck, painting it. It smelled like fresh paint fumes in here. So we have an 07 Sienna. We're going to reset the maintenance light. So get your trip A up. So turn the key to accessory, don't start it. Reset it to double zeros. Most people know how to do that. Click it again B, reset it to double zeros. Click it again to the mileage. Turn the key completely off. Hold the button down on the instrument cluster while you turn the key to the third position, but don't start. You'll see the dashes count down, and then that will reset your maintenance light. We also have some trouble codes in here for a bank 1 sensor too. Caleb scanned that the other day, but that's a tricky dick right there because the downstream O2 sensor can't tell what the catalytic converter is doing, and typically in most cases we see this customer back with a cat efficiency code shortly there after us changing it, but nothing we can do. The computer cannot tell what's going on with the catalytic converter. So we're going to change the oil now, and that's that. Thanks for watching.